Welcome back, everyone. Well, I've never seen anything like this before in a Hyundai Santa Fe 2007. All data really wasn't any help for me, so I had to just go digging. What I do believe is behind the fender liner that it was so packed up with crap that it couldn't drain out underneath of here. So pull this back, get all the crap out of the fender liner and then underneath of here. And it does appear that sunroof drain makes a 90-degree turn into the footwell, the right kick, behind the fuse panel and drains down through a bleed in the bodywork of the vehicle somewhere. I've never seen it just come through and drop down like that, but I wasn't the last one in here, so I really don't know. So after I actually got it all cleaned out and got it flowing properly, I took some form-fitted evap hose so that it would come from the rubber hose from the sunroof, okay, that's rubber hose, to a formed 90, almost like an S-trap, but not quite. So I'll draw you a picture. Plastic form-fitted like that and down, and then below there's a piece of plastic here below the body, below that plastic piece inside of this kick panel, and it was hard to pull that plastic piece up. It almost looked like the plastic piece was almost somewhat sealed, but enough to let water run down and drip out. I would say a poor design, but it worked for all these years. This is 2007. So using this form-fitted evap hoses that I saved, that was like this and down, and I got it down and all that cleaned out. It seems to be what his problem was here. So sometimes just cleaning the sunroof drains, flushing them isn't enough if you don't get the debris out that's holding that up, and you can see that that's just soaked with fluid. So you got to get it out of that rocker panel and this fender liner over here, and that should be what it was all about. Now that's mess there and mess there and mess under the car. Just makes someone's life simpler.